Let us get the details. Before that, we will not talk. We are waiting for details. I am coming back. Our people also will be coming.
So,
We are watching the situation. Actually, I am already contacting our people to keep a watch, but then we'll see what is there. Let them come out. It looks like the fire is in the extra building, not in the actually where the ballot boxes are. Fine, so yeah, let us see.
The incident.
I आता ऐकिला ही खबर. So I just came to find out what is the thing. And if it is so, if the ballot papers are destroyed, then it is democracy is in danger. It's very bad for democracy. If the EVM machines, anything has happened to it, then it's really bad.
Yeah.
Okay, I just want to ask the returning officer to come out with a statement as what has happened inside. Because we are listening to a lot of nonsense and it should not happen.
Machine we
स्ट्रॉंग रूमच्या हितून स्ट्रॉंग रूमा भितर हे आसा वॉटर स्प्रिंकलर सिस्टम आसा.
It is outside आमचे fire tender is there. And inside in the strong room, every cubicle is having a CCTV camera.
Okay, but there is no water. This fire.
Fire tender is standing outside.
Inside there is no fire extinguishing equipment.
पण इव्हिनिंग मिशन हा प्रॉब्लेम कांयच ना.
No. It is totally this side, this building, separate building.
मग तुम्ही सेफ्टी जाय म्हणून सगळी प्रिकॉशन
Immediately, yes, because we have rushed to the side.
ऑल आर
शॉर्ट सर्किट जाल्लें तें गव्हर्मेंट मल्टीपर्पज मायनर शॉर्ट सर्किट जाल्लें
आणि किती लास्ट लागलं
काय ना
फ्रीज किती लास्ट लागलं फ्रीज किती
फ्रीज ना मिस्टर रोकडो पालयला तेणी
किती ती लॅबोरेटरी आशिल्ली वय
हय लॅब बायोलॉजिकल लॅब
आणि
both the buildings are attached?
ना
So it's nothing to do with the
स्ट्रॉंग